Tuning in this morning, we say Mbulla and Leandro Vinaka. Welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Welcome to VTFM on our show this morning. We say Andro Vinaka as well to all the teachers and the students going to school. We keep in my tao to and we tolling on the sala here with traffic jam and matari kua, especially the super sorry corridor. To all the drivers tuning in this morning, we say Mbulla Vinaka and Andro Vinaka, and to all the passengers. Why we keep in Nangasi Buli, keep at the Sarang on the Buli. Andro Vinaka Samu, Andro Vinaka Dams.
Andro Vinaka. Well, good morning. This is this day. Thank you to that this day. Friday is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Time is very flying.
Yeah.
See, student, all the best for your exam this week. To all the students being participant this week, thank you very much. And another one.
Yeah.
Here is 6 seat and driving. Tampaloki transfers and towards 671. Wami bibe control akan masa the transfer and towards my virtual level my nadin doyan random bola bina.
Well, good morning to Joe Rocco Besu and to the family in this wonderful morning. Maybe they're doing breakfast. Some of them are rushing to the bus. Some of them are rushing from their own transport to come to work, and they saw their clock. Oh, I'm late because of the traffic. Don't worry, my brother. Come slowly.
Come.
What made you two feel hungry so quickly? Nada benda baga pun bikin bro na lalik kete baga wasuma. Saya totol na kena lala kete bro. Nada benda baga puna.
When I drink lot of water.
Oi. Iya.
When I drink lot of water, it makes my stomach empty fast. Really quick. Boost the water. Boost
Hemoglobin.
Sound you know. Kemani?
Myself.
Yeah.
If I eat from the morning, if I have my breakfast before coming,
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock like that before the transport pick,
if
I have my breakfast first, tea or whatever, I will be hungry when it comes to time like this, 7 or 8.
That's the thing.
If I don't eat anything from home, no breakfast, I can able to withstand this day till the afternoon.
See.
Oi, so matubiko na wala kete.
Siyang ekara
Okay.
It's not because it's like a habit when you wake up in the morning. Sometimes because I've been experienced this. If I eat in the morning, I'll buy lolly or what. If I want to eat this time, I just take lolly or something sweet to make my body energized.
You know all the basu. All of us, when they wake up on the 4 o'clock in the morning, they just have 1 cup of tea.
Right.
Cup of tea, the black tea. With because of sugar, energy. Don't eat. Don't eat because the time when they messy, your stomach is sleeping.
Why? Okay. Why can't you learn from that? To drink a lot of sugar with tea, rather than drinking a lot of water with empty stomach.
That's good. No, but we are saying, we are saying, because when you sleep, when you wake up in the morning 4 o'clock like that, your stomach is sleeping. And your
sleep mode.
Your heart to sleep.
Sleep na kami laoning bulu-bulu. So sa teki wa ni ngolong boleh menakatu the family from Malo to. This one is from who's this? America.
Malo from California.
I think that's a good thing, eh? That's a good idea. Wake up early in the morning. Just have 1 cup of tea.
Right.
Hot tea with sugar. Saya kau serang ayah.
I learned from the basu. These people when they wake up in the morning 4 o'clock, they just 1 cup of tea. Just small one. And they go to work. They work on their farm from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When the sun
rise
there, not already rise, but up there, they come home.
The sun up.
With that cup of tea,
With that cup of tea.
Yeah, boy.
But we tried. I've tried already so much when I was in the village. I tried so much every day. And it's work.
It's work.
It's really work.
One thing here from Bisna.
Sangan dibuat
kami may tumba. Bisa nganan rungi balu. Don't give him the sugar. Give him the salt. Hey, Joe Robes, Sumbul Binaka, Miss Don Notarewa, and Binaka.
Right.
Join this morning.
Yeah.
Okay, 042, Binaka to the driver.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the services, for the well done services.
Yeah. If we say Andrew to all the LC drivers tuning in this morning and all the students going to school, plus yung baga na Richo and Nalomani Keria, LC na Rosin in Delana. Pambibi talaga na LC 588. Oni binak na ngoni buli pakaki de driver and budi pako ngone korni buli. And mataka di pingra and to all the students who are sitting for the exams, all the best, Ramon. And the Buri Tarung and Madongo. And iyo, the Talaka Veteran became Naturan. Mataya, Natabu Pali became Raw. Okay, but I can Karua, Koronto Namatari Kogelota Dintamang.
You know, there is a different form of lights. Some lights coming from the sun.
Yeah, the main one.
The main one is a source of light in the world.
Right.
And another one in the night, the reflections of the sun to the different countries that receive the light from the sun reflect in the night that form the light. Another thing, as we can use the nature to be a sun, to the source of the light. One is this: if you sleep in the night, if you have the light, use the mirror as a light. For reflection. If you take a phone, you shoot on the mirror can reflect like you are living
Generate
in the
light.
daytime.
Oh!
Generate the time. Generate the light. Generate the light. And also to the natapos ko natin liba-liba.
The power.
Yeah, the power
Touch
light.
relay.
Touch relay na bitaw Vivi. That kind. So there is a nature light. Sometime when you go in the night in the forest, you see the mushroom giving light. Mushroom giving light. You go in the night. You see the small insect flying in the pumpkin. They carry light. Daw tinagori na pagkanaon raw.
Saraya.
Na Yandri, we name in Buandalek.
Oh, Yandri.
Yeah, the Yandri. So they carry light. As you can see in the night, when you shoot the bad eyes, you can see the light. It's a form of a cat family. There is a light in their eyes, what we call in the Lizo.
Oh! What?
Lizo, mataliso. So one day there is a mother with a daughter. So the daughter was not was sleep early last night.
This is the mother and daughter pussycat.
No, the human being.
The pussycat.
Being,
Okay. Carry on.
So the mother and the daughter. The daughter in the night time, she never have the breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Siya nga napakabi na dinner. She never have the dinner. So she sleep early. She sleep early. She leave the food. This is a barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah. Barbecue. When the barbecue is there, she sleep. When she sleep, the nature arrive. Alam kami ko yung doon na busita. Bakit lapot tunay along. The nature arrived to the scene. He opened the barbecue.
Right.
The barbecue. The
it's very nice.
Sausage.
And the egg.
The egg. Mayonnaise. This one, before eating, he closed his eyes. The pussy. Hakilo kaya yummy.
Dinasara.
Yummy. So he eat all the food and leave the mayonnaise. Leave all the tapioca. He just take the meat. So when he take the meat, the daughter in the morning wake up because early in the morning they will go for fishing.
Right.
So he was looking forward to see the food to carry to the sea. So when they go to the sea, come back. The lucky thing about there's something that is very sweety about fishing. It only tasteable if I kana ngana siwa if you catch fish.
Dinasara.
If you come back with nothing, Zanambula. You won't be able to withstand. You are not able to cooperate. You are not able to ties and everything. So this one was there with us coming back to the home. Nothing.
Feeling hungry.
Feeling hungry.
With nothing.
With
Feeling
nothing.
hungry and angry because she didn't catch anything.
In the morning, 5:30 they leave.
Yeah.
They arrive back 7:30.
Oh!
Roaming around in the sea.
Yeah.
Nothing catching.
Boy.
So they end up in the mangrove swamp.
Yeah.
Oh,
They collect the crab,
Yeah. The kuka.
the kuka,
Yeah.
yeah.
the leiro,
Yeah.
whatever they see, the ngenge,
Hari-hari.
Vangenge.
yeah, the kaikoso,
Yeah.
the mbolara, the mbonu. They trying something to carry back.
The bee.
But
The bee.
the bigori, the bibiri.
Yeah.
Yeah, they carry them. So when they come in the home,
Yeah.
she was feel hunger ties. Salah lah kita na. Hunger ties ya, nih batangin dengan nilala sa bola kasaranang ginggi.
Yeah.
Hungry, iku sering tara.
Right.
Hungry the ball.
Yeah.
Hungry the ball. Iku seran yo bos sumita ka banaway.
Seru sekali susunya.
Iya. Hunger ties.
Iya.
Ya, sa tarang nga ginggi.
Takut tidak tundru.
Ako tinanun. Ya, tadi reform na tunro. Nalala. Ako tikin lang ginggi. So this one was there. So she was there in the home.
Yeah.
Here at that time, this back in the days,
Yeah.
where we used the Lina Tambudangi,
Yeah.
the unwanted windy.
Kerosene inside and
Yeah, the Lina Tambudangi. This is not the kind of Lina Tambudangi, the one with the lubos there.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba iluilo?
Yeah.
With the kung nandota ni kung tumbe, this one the form like look like a Melrose Cup.
Yeah.
Baka nang bilo ni.
Oh,
Right.
You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
the white one, you outside you see the kerosene.
Yeah.
That kind.
Right.
So
Lupa bleed.
when, huh?
Lupa bleed.
Lupa pala rin orang na masing-masing. So when they was there, the mommy, the daughter coming, open the pot,
Yeah.
nothing left.
And sit and back.
Sit and back.
Memang sa tundru. Iya.
Sit and back. Sit and back. She saw the
Din tembang.
Tambudangi. When he saw the Tambudangi, rumbilang to the Kiridangi. He put one apenanda. Rumbilang to Kiridangi, rumbilang give one apenanda. When the Tambudangi outside,
Yeah.
class, eh?
Fulfill.
Fulfill.
Yeah.
When the Tambudangi what's outside, and the mommy, I said, hey, what's wrong with you? Nanamukan nito akathurumi ko with you. What's wrong with you? No. I thought it was a pussycat. Lago no ko rumbilang dari lagi mo na din Tambudangi. Taro mo na. Hey, lu yung baby. Siya nga nung musaragan de bustangan. Ko na liso ni mata na ni sawang kami na din. That's what happened when the stomach is unavailable. Free call your stomach. Free call your stomach and maintain discipline. If you have a pet, please. If you have a pet, please. Soul erosion. Hey, we celebrating 90 years. We love you all, even though it's a very windy day, even though it's a very stomach ache. Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful, you can't inside.
Yeah.
Wear warm clothes, kira-kira. Bila boleh besar, tapi toka dia nama tadi koso. Sa guys kira bila John Kumar, ada mana ka bro?
Kaminieli.
Tuning from Mbarara-Beli di Singapore. Kaminieli batake.
Ano ba naman tahu?
Iya, untuk na transfer gori. Epic Tours. And transfers. Matai ka balai suba. Ni ada mana ka kimni?
Bimara o ko nambul binaka maramataw ko na maramanikandaw.
Oh, maramanita.
Oh, ko di tuay net. Ando sambul binaka kay nama katalen na wekolan ni matan singa bukitabwa.
Yeah.
This is the Punta Western.
Right.
Ever you come across a band that sing non-stop from 1 hour?
Iya.
If you don't know,
I tell you.
Iya.
Iya.
This Friday.
Yeah.
At 7:30 to 8:30, they will be performing. This from the public demand.
Iya.
So my family were asking me,
Come.
what's the difference?
Iya.
What's the difference about all the
Band.
band and about this band? No, this band when they give us time to talk,
Iya.
for us to MC or to talk,
Iya.
they play the piano.
Iya.
They
No
still
gap.
play the keyboard.
No gap.
Yeah.
But one
No
thing
gap,
about
yeah.
them, when they sing, they dance.
Dance too.
they dance. When they sing, they share. When they sing, they...
The stage is open.
Oh, the stage is open. They invite you. They started. You weren't able to feel this cold because of the way cold ni mata ni Singapore kita. You know why gold is very valuable? Why? Because of the sunshine. Bila boleh usara, bila boleh kan ibito kan mai California, Rachel Kings France. Patingo? Rachel Kings France. Ani daw boleh binaka may Palmerston.
Hatasa Sefnaya.
Palmerston North.
Palmerston North.
Iya.
Nanda keke mbola re miawa masi ni banua.
Iya.
Sakito sa tama. Like hatta kasyata kanonda live. Ela mata kaniko. Hamar Demes.